When you file a tax extension, you have until October 15th to file your taxes. Although an extension gives you 6 extra months to file your return, it doesn't give you extra time to pay your taxes if you owe, which are still due on April 15th. Even if you can't pay your taxes by the deadline, go ahead and file an extension anyway. Doing so will protect you from the late filing penalty. To file an extension, sign into TurboTax and open or continue your return. Visit the Tools Center through Tax Tools to access Easy Extension and follow the on-screen instructions. If you don't have a TurboTax account, you can search for TurboTax Easy Extension in your search engine to e-file an extension. TurboTax Easy Extension is available around mid-March. You can also visit irs.gov and file Form 4868. Don't forget, you must file an extension by April 15th. For more answers to your questions, visit turbotax.com/support.